If I told you that one free AI tool could help you build an income stream without writing code, hiring employees, or spending thousands of dollars, would you believe it? Most people think AI is replacing jobs. The people making money have figured out something different. They're using AI to create new jobs for themselves. Today, I'm going to show you 10 beginner-friendly AI side hustles that anyone can start in 2026. Stay until the end because the final idea has one of the lowest startup costs and the highest long-term earning potential. Let's start with something almost every business needs. Number 1 is AI content creation. Millions of businesses need blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and social media content every single week. Most owners don't have time to create it themselves. That's where AI comes in. Use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to generate first drafts. Then improve them with your own editing. Businesses don't want perfect AI. They want results. A local restaurant needs Facebook posts. A real estate agent needs listing descriptions. A dentist needs weekly newsletters. You can create all of them in a fraction of the time using AI. Charge clients monthly instead of per project. Even 5 clients paying $500 a month creates a meaningful side income. Here's where it gets interesting. The people earning the most aren't selling AI. They're selling convenience. Number 2 is AI video creation. Short-form video is dominating every platform. Businesses know they need videos, but many don't know how to make them. Use tools like Pictory, CapCut AI, Canva AI, or Veo-powered video generators to create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and promotional content. Imagine a local gym needing 30 videos every month. Instead of filming everything yourself, AI helps generate visuals, captions, voiceovers, and editing in minutes. One client can easily become several recurring clients once they see consistent results. Most beginners overlook one important fact. Businesses care much more about consistent posting than Hollywood quality production. Number 3 is AI thumbnail design. Every YouTuber wants more clicks. Every business wants better-looking ads. AI image generators combined with Canva make creating professional thumbnails faster than ever. Study successful YouTube channels. Notice the bright colors, large text, emotional facial expressions, simple backgrounds. Create thumbnail packages for creators. Offer A/B testing with multiple designs. A small improvement in click-through rate can make your work extremely valuable. Here's a surprising insight. Many successful YouTube channels outsource only their thumbnails because they know the thumbnail often matters more than the video itself. Number 4 is AI chatbot setup. Small businesses answer the same questions every day. What are your hours? Do you accept appointments? How much does your service cost? AI chatbots can answer these automatically. Restaurants, salons, law offices, medical clinics, auto repair shops. Almost every business can benefit. You don't need to build complicated software. Many modern chatbot platforms require little or no coding. Charge an upfront setup fee. Then charge a monthly maintenance fee. Recurring income is one of the biggest advantages of AI services. Before we move on, notice something. Every idea so far solves a business problem. That's the secret. People don't pay for AI. They pay for solutions. Number 5 is AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. Millions of people are changing careers. They need resumes that stand out. Use AI to rewrite resumes, improve cover letters, optimize LinkedIn profiles, and prepare interview answers. Offer different packages. Basic resume editing. Complete career makeover. LinkedIn optimization. Interview coaching using AI-generated practice questions. The startup cost is almost zero. Number 6 is AI-powered digital products. This is one of the most scalable business models available. Create ebooks, printable planners, business templates, prompt libraries, checklists, study guides, meal planners, budget planners, fitness journals. AI helps generate ideas, organize information, and speed up creation. Once finished, digital products can sell repeatedly without additional work. Instead of trading time for money, you're building digital assets. That's a major shift. Number 7 is AI voiceover services. Not everyone wants to record their own voice. Content creators, small businesses, course creators, advertisers. Many need professional narration. AI voice tools can help create realistic voiceovers in multiple languages and styles. Pair voiceovers with AI-generated videos to create complete marketing packages. Offering bundled services usually increases your income far more than selling one service alone. Here's another attention reset. Most beginners make one mistake. They try to learn every AI tool. Successful people usually master 2 or 3 tools and become experts. Depth beats quantity. Number 8 is AI research assistant services. Research takes time. Businesses constantly need competitor research, market analysis, product comparisons, lead generation, industry reports. Use AI to organize massive amounts of information quickly. Then verify the facts and present them in an easy-to-read report. This works especially well for consultants, agencies, startups, and local businesses. The faster you deliver quality information, the more valuable your service becomes. Number 9 is AI automation consulting. This sounds advanced. It really isn't. Businesses waste hours every week repeating simple tasks. Sending emails, updating spreadsheets, scheduling appointments, creating reports. AI automation platforms can connect these workflows together. Even simple automations can save businesses dozens of hours every month. When you save someone time, you're saving them money. That's why businesses happily pay for automation. Now for the final side hustle. And honestly, this may be the biggest opportunity on the list. Number 10 is building your own AI education brand. As AI grows, millions of beginners are looking for simple explanations. You don't need to be the world's biggest expert. You only need to be a few steps ahead of someone who's just getting started. Start a YouTube channel. Create short videos. Post on social media. Build an email list. Sell digital guides. Recommend useful AI tools. Offer beginner training. This creates multiple income streams from the same content. One video becomes a short. The short becomes social media content. The script becomes a blog post. The blog becomes an email newsletter. AI helps multiply your content instead of constantly creating from scratch. Here's the biggest lesson from today's video. None of these side hustles require you to invent new AI technology. They require you to solve real problems using AI more efficiently than before. That's the opportunity. The winners over the next few years won't necessarily be the best programmers. They'll be the people who understand customers and know how to use AI to deliver faster, better, and more affordable solutions. Let's quickly recap. I content creation, I video creation, I thumbnail design, I chatbot setup, I resume optimization, I digital products, I voiceover services, I research services, I automation consulting, and building your own AI education brand. You don't need to start all 10. Choose one. Learn it deeply. Find your first client. Improve your process. Then scale. Small steps consistently beat big plans that never get started. If you found value in today's video, keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep building. AI is changing faster than ever, and those who start today will have a huge advantage over those who wait. In the next video, we'll break down one of these AI side hustles step by step and show you exactly how a complete beginner can land their very first paying client using free AI tools.